Hey everybody, this is Rory at Turning Real Sound. Today we got a Micmix Master Room XL-305 for sale. We got a 2-channel spring reverb, but has delay modulation circuits in it to make it sound a little more like a plate. These are pretty hard to come by. We got EQ, we got input level, output mix, and yeah, sounds pretty great. We got a mono chamber return and a mono chamber drive, so you can run it in stereo or mono. Sounds great on anything. Now we're going to hear it on some drums. Here's the dry sound. Okay, now we're going to bring in some of the Micmix. Okay, now we're going to take the Micmix out for comparison. Now we're going to put it back in. Alright, this will be for sale on Reverb.com. Thanks for checking it out.